Everybody, and welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna do an unpackaging from Shutterfly. Sorry I have to cover up everything. I just is everywhere on this thing. Alright. So there should be two things I ordered. Okay. First one is Baby Billy's Christmas present from me and Dylan. Super cute. I think he'll love it. It's got Brownie, Bruce, and Bronco, which is all of our dogs, and some pictures of him and my husband. And then this one is my husband's, and kind of want to open it and make sure it's the right thing. So I'm going to just open it. Ooh, he's going to want to use this. It's like a pretty blue color. This guy really like all the pictures of us that I could possibly fit on there. So that's really nice. This is from my wife.